Separate.
What do you mean it's stuck?
If this drops, it's not my fault.
It's 100% your fault.
No. Because it's physically impossible for me to hold this. Yeah, legally it will. Yeah, it's got resonators. Shit. It's better than me.
You want to buy a gold one? It's for sale.
I'll put that in.
Give me $10 for it. Give me $10 for it right now, cash.
$10.
Cash.
Fuck, dude. I'll give you 20.
Dustin, don't try to undercut me, chucker.
You cheap fuck. You know how much money you got? You better owe more than that.
Shit, you'll be cheap.
Fucking money bags.
Try to undercut me again. I had that shit bought for $10.
Yeah, I got a question for you, Putz. When's the last time you serviced your diff?
I actually will do that.
Yeah, that.
Funny thing. Put all these Go Fast parts on.
I help.
Fucking spray a little bit so it'll climb
About
Dude. It needs lube! Bro, use a little spit shot, man.
Yeah, spit on it. Spit in the hole. Spit in the hole.
You fucking sissy girl. Spit on that shit.
Spit on it. Spit on it. Spit on it. Spit on it. Suffering succotash. Suffering succotash.
This thing got a fucking level sensor on it? That's gay.
What's a Subaru? What do you expect? What's this guy?
Damn.
So, is there vape that's gonna come out of this? Like, is it gonna start vaping?
I mean, what would be really cool would be to mock up the muffler and then have you blow a shitload of vape through it.
That would be cool for.
Huh?
What's a little hook there for?
The springs.
Yeah. So you can clamp them together. Fuck. Why don't you know that?
This ain't a Dodge, boy.
It ain't no Dodge. You know what? 21st century technology. With the spring. Yeah, that fucking hanger reminds me of April.
Oh shit.
I don't even know why. Fuck you. You should. It's creamy, bud. Look at it.
Oh my god. I definitely have to put the censorship thing on this now.
Oh my god, yeah, you do.
I always do for every video, but like,
You gonna leave all this audio in it?
I'll go through and edit it. I'm gonna leave a lot of it in. It's gonna be a short one, but-
Yeah, man. You gotta have a
the
little
people
humor.
calling.
Honestly though, the comments, like all the little comments in the videos, like get people like going and they just start commenting on the bottom. It's great.
I mean, it's not like you get ads, so you really don't have to censor shit.
Exactly. Even if you do though, even if you do have ads, like you don't really gotta censor much.
Yo, give me that tip. Give me the tip.
Here, hold it. Hold the tip. What did you tip?
This is the tip, Dusty.
That's what real tip look like.
Young ass nigga.
Gotta blow some vape through that first.
Shiny.
Same, fam.
I need a
rubber joint. I got rubbers.
He's got rubbers.
I got rubbers.
You know they expire after a while, right? Keep them in your wallet, pump them up too. Honestly, it's easier to pull out. Like the best.
For best results, take a needle and just poke a hole through the condom. It creates like a vacuum almost, and it just it's perfect.
Oh shit! That's fucking Dustin's first time right there.
Okay.
I don't need a hanger.
Poor Dustin.
It don't hang?
Damn.
Wow. All that fucking
Tomei.
No, it hangs. No, that's what this is for. Need that.
And I didn't come with no like phone for doing side of it.
This is all being recorded in 60 FPS too, so it's like fucking mid.
That would be
Why not 80?
Yo, be careful.
It doesn't support 80. It does 4K at 60 frames per second, which is beautiful.
Don't smash
Picked up my exhaust in broad daylight and you crashed it.
Killing me.
Oh man, I got another question for you. Why the fuck did you take all the hangers off and it come with new ones? It didn't come with new ones?
It didn't come with new ones, no.
Why did you take them off the car?
It was easier to get them off, to get that exhaust down by taking them off
I'm
that
not gonna
top
continue
hanger.
to talk my shit. It's alright. You guys do what you
Okay.
want to do.
Okay.
A deer.
Fuck you.
Fuck
Fuck
you.
you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Fuck you and I fuck her too.
Hold that too, sister.
If I was with you, I'd still be with you. But I bought a Tomei.
Yo, is that is that a Tomei? Is that a Tomei?
It's like a fucking. Oh my.
Yo, why are you?
You're not using them later. What are you doing, boy?
Give me the spray.
Oh my,
Yo,
Dustin.
why did you do that?
What the
What
fuck?
are you doing? You finger paint. He likes white stuff. Holy shit, bud.
Hold that.
You fucking.
I was getting them ready
Get your hair out.
Yeah,
the
I bet you
boy.
were. Getting them ready for what?
to put on.
Putting them on what?
Are we using these ones?
No. You gotta lube all those
Yeah, we're
hands
using
now.
it.
Y'all finna lube these bitches up.
Yo, plus, do you put your fucking belly on your forehead?
Yeah.
What?
Just a little bit of. Dope. Yeah, that's gotta be nice though, because you can't see her get all the way down to the base, so it's not as visually stimulating. You know what I mean?
What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
We gotta put the bands on too and really push them down too.
You should just fast forward all this, so
Wanna,
they can, like slow it down if they.
Yo, you should put a big speaker on your car that makes it.
Hey, everything's 13, dude.
That'd be cool.
The opposite direction, just fucking next one.
Have some Lambo noises coming out that shit.
You ever seen that for the second consoles? It's only that out there.
Josh, I'll let this go or no?
No.
I'm like, Says you know you're working, you're dirty.
I know. It just happens. It's in my name. It does.
Dust, word.
But you're just like standing here holding it, soaking up all that fucking grease, soaking up your face. No!
Let it go.
What kind of fucking woman do you want to attract, bro? Fucking
You gotta tighten that one then too.
Now it seems to go over a little bit.
Half man, half girl.
This middle one.
I want to get shit tightened up first.
half man, half Tomei.
Right there.
Yeah, you want that to be over. Just believe me, I had a problem. I had a problem with mine hitting underneath in my fucking car all the time.
You have a lot of problems.
Put a big change.
Are those titanium springs? Why the fuck would you even say that? Oh my god. Dude. Yeah, fuck them. Are they?
No, Dusty, they're not.
Why not?
It needs to be a strong component. Come on, boy.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on.
Hook that bitch. There you go. Yeah, well, yeah, fine. Bitch ain't going nowhere.
Mm-mm.
There's a voice in the back of my head, second guessing everything that I've said. I've been feeling kinda strange lately. I think I lost myself completely. Never count on me. Never count on me.
fuck, that's right.
You gotta take that off and then slide it on because of the groove.
Not even. Just fucking
No.
lay that bitch in there this way.
Yeah.
Fucking
A little bit.
a little bit of doop 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 doop.
A little bit.
A little bit of doop 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 doop. Fucking taking shit back apart. Fucking, Mister, I want to stay hourly for the rest of my life. I just like talking shit. Don't mind me.
I know. You're a piece of shit.
I know.
Whoa!
Oh, he called.
Fucking
You
aggression.
know what though? It's all right. It's all right.
Wow.
I love you for it though, Alec.
Yeah, yeah. You fucking squeeze your own tits when you beat off, don't you? You fuck.
Wow.
I gotta grab on to something.
All right.
Damn, oh my god. What?
You don't need to know this shit, dude.
Don't touch my tools again. Stop fucking touching my shit.
Get your dick beaters off my tool.
You lost your
Oh,
nut.
you
You lost the nut. Stop dropping your nut.
What takes so long? And then you don't have that on, right?
Hold on. Let me get the nut off first, and then we can adjust it. All right. Tuck your nut.
What's your dad call you?
There's that Jeep. Send it. Flip it.